Choosing the right silicone cookware is essential for a safe and enjoyable cooking experience. 5 key tips on how to choose silicone kitchenware. Whether you're an experienced cook or just starting out in the kitchen, these tips will help you make an informed decision when choosing silicone kitchen essentials. Tip 1. Check the quality of the material. When evaluating silicone kitchenware, look for labels that say, food-grade silicone. This ensures that the material is safe for cooking and does not release harmful substances. First, smell it. High-quality silicone should have no smell. If you smell a strong chemical smell, it may indicate the presence of additives or inferior materials. Second, take a look. Products with bright, uniform and saturated colors are better. Third, touch them. High-quality silicone kitchenware should have a smooth appearance, uniform hardness and softness, and strong tensile and ribbon strength. Check whether has irregular. Squeeze the silicone gently. High-quality silicone should feel soft and elastic, and should not change color, discolored or rough edges. If the silicone appears dull, it may be a sign that the silicone cookware is of lower quality. 2. The second tip is to consider the design and functionality of your kitchenware. Look for kitchen tools that are ergonomically designed and feel comfortable in your hand. Additionally, consider the item's versatility. Can it handle different cooking tasks? Functional design saves you space and makes your cooking experience more enjoyable. 3. The third tip is to look at the heat resistance. Silicone kitchenware is known for its ability to withstand high temperatures. Make sure the items you choose have the right heat resistance for your cooking needs. This is especially important for items like baking mats, spatulas, and oven mitts. Tip 4. Cleaning and care. Silicone kitchenware is generally easy to clean, but it is important to check whether these items are dishwasher safe or require hand washing. Tip 5. Brand reputation. Consider purchasing silicone cookware from a reputable brand. Brands with a history of producing high-quality kitchen products are more likely to offer products that are durable and reliable. Check out customer reviews and ratings to learn more about this product. Thanks. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell for more kitchen tips. Happy cooking, everyone!